Okay, so I am back to you with another interesting property. It's located in Labelle. So if you look at downtown Fort Myers, just east, here, let me pull up the map. So here's Labelle, just east of downtown Fort Myers. If you take Palm Beach Boulevard, which is also Route 80, it'll take you all the way out. There we go. There's our map. You'll see downtown Fort Myers, and then this main road here that's 80 east. If you follow that along, it'll take you through Alva, really great area, and then Labelle. So that's where this property is located. If you haven't driven out to Labelle, if you're not from the area, go check it out. It is a really, really awesome smaller town. Just a really nice place. If you're looking for more land, more house, more bang for your buck, I keep urging everybody to look east towards Alva and Labelle, because you're really getting a lot more for your dollar. I know that it's everybody's first notion to go right to the beach, but when you're living here full time, if that's what you're doing, trust me, 30 to 40 minute drive to the beach is not going to bother you when you live here year round. You can go anytime you want, so it's not a big deal. Save the money, get yourself a pool home so you can enjoy it every day, and then save your trips to the beach, periodically. But that's how I think you should do it. I know there's a lot of other people out there that would agree with me. And so if it's your one chance to come down and find the right house right off the bat, then check out these areas I'm talking about. Check out Alva, Buckingham, Labelle, good spot. So anyways, back to the house. All right. So this house is located in Labelle, and let's take a look at it. So I know what you're thinking, but I'm going for character right now, okay? I'm going for character. So we're talking that old style, like almost a Georgian plantation type of home that's just that southern charm kind of look with the big front porch patio. Look at your acreage. Look at how much land and space that you have with this aerial shot right here. Check that out. That's really nice. Don't forget, hey, we weren't in COVID too long ago and we were in lockdown. Remember how everybody wanted space? This is your chance, okay? For $485,000, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, almost 3,000 square feet. Come on. That's awesome. That's a lot. That's a lot for $485,000. So, here's the kicker at the very end. It's also a pool home. So we'll get to that. 3 carport spaces. I mean, almost an acre and a half. Big family home. So I'm really excited to show you this one. We'll get into the pictures, but great description. It obviously has lots of great features about this house, but yeah. So let's look at these photos. So nice wraparound front driveway, lots of parking, and then when you get inside, they've done a lot of updates for you. So you have a nice brand new kitchen with nice fancy countertop and brand new appliances, all done up already. Look at that gorgeous living room with the fireplace. You can make it your own. Now you can come in with your design, with your furniture, and make it your own. But that's nice that they've done some renovations. Here's an area where they haven't done the renovations. But oh my God, take a look at the chandelier. Look at the beautiful ceiling. I don't care if you don't like the floors. This is gorgeous. You can do something with this space. Have some vision. Hire an interior designer. They don't cost that much these days. Look up ideas. What a great open space. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Work with it. Make some changes. Trust me. You can't get like this kind of stuff anymore. Upstairs, downstairs. You don't have to keep this bar. You can get rid of it. Do something new with it. But we're looking at the grand features that are here. Gorgeous fireplace. Gorgeous. Get rid of some of the wood paneling maybe. Clean it up. That's going to be beautiful. It's going to be beautiful. work with it. You don't have to keep the pool table, but kind of fun. Kind of fun to keep the pool table. So let me exit out of these. So of course, bathroom. Here's bedroom. Yes, you're going to have some vision with, they don't have furniture decorated in here and stuff. So, but what a nice bathroom, nice oversized shower to just enjoy. All brand new features here. Another nice bedroom. Like I said, there's 4 bedrooms and 3 baths. So you have plenty of space as a large family. Wow, look at that patio. That looks like a really awesome hangout spot. So I'm just envisioning really nice patio furniture, nice area to get away from the sun, but still be outside. You could put some nice house plants out there and really enjoy that Florida lifestyle. And look at the gorgeous pool. Wow, what an amazing pool. I mean, oh my gosh. Come on. Look at this outdoor space. And then you've got the really great parking area out on the side. I don't know. I just think you'd be crazy to not check out this property. Just beautiful, beautiful features. I love this little sitting area. I love the large tree. That's gorgeous. Yeah, I mean, great house. $485,000. Wow. So, yep. But, you know, if this isn't the house for you, or if you're interested in setting up a property tour, you know, if it's not, like I said, if it's not this one, if it's another one, let me know your criteria. Let me know your price range, what you're looking for. You know, I do have a team that I work with, so we make sure that we find you your dream home, and we try to, of course, work within your budget and see what we can find. But, you know, we've had very happy clients, and I'm sure that we can help you too. So if you're looking to move down here and you're not here yet, we can do a virtual tour. We can send you videos or FaceTime with you as well. So go to milliondollarfloridateam.com, set up your booking there. You can just book directly on our calendar, or you can also call or just text us at 239-313-8975. All right, thank you so much. We look forward to hearing from you.